Alright, this is our third video. In the first video I showed you how to take the names and get the formulas. That's how we did magnesium chlorate, copper 2 acetate, and sodium acetate. And in the second video I showed you how to take the formula and get the name. And we ended on one that was kind of hard, and that's where I wanted to start the third video at, with some hard ones. Now, here, this one's still kind of easy because we see the set of parentheses, so we know that this is the polyatomic ion because it's a group of atoms. Now, I love it when they're like this because you know which numbers go to what. Okay, meaning we know that this 4 should go up here. We know that this 3 should go up here, meaning we know that this V, which is vanadium, has a +4 charge. And we know that this PO4 that we see has a -3 charge. Now all you got to do is make sure that this one right here has the correct charge on it. Now when you look up PO4, you'll see that PO4 has a -3 charge. So you don't have to change these numbers at all now. We just need to name it. What we have here is we have vanadium 4, so that's IV, put it in parentheses, vanadium 4 phosphate. And that's it. Now let's look at something a little bit more challenging. Let's say that we had the following. Let's say we had, well, let's stick with this one, vanadium, and then someone gave you V parentheses SiO3 close parentheses 2. And I want you to name that. Okay. Well, we know this is vanadium. Okay. And we know that this is a polyatomic ion because it's a group. Let's go ahead and write these guys down. So we know that this is V, and they're saying V is a +2 because that's what's showing here. Okay, and then when we write down the polyatomic ion, we see SiO3. When we look, it looks like they're saying that this imaginary 1 is the charge. So that must be the -1. So what we need to do is you need to look this guy up on the back of your white sheet and see if it is a -1 charge. Now when you find SiO3, which is silicate, silicate actually has a charge of -2. So this really should be SiO3 -2. So notice that this charge is doubled now. Okay, so we need to double this charge down here. So what we really have is V +4 because we doubled 1 from 2. So we can now name this correctly. So once again, this one is also vanadium 4, and SiO3 is silicate, SiLicate, and that's how you name these complex polyatomic ions. Okay, so it's the ones that reduce that give you problems. So anyway, I hope this third video helps, and that should be roughly the ones that we're doing. If you need more practice, go to the website whitwellhine.com and look at the old tests and work those problems. You got the answers to them on there and everything, so just do all those and you should be set up pretty good. Alright guys, bye.